We'll send it over to 680 News and senior business editor Mike Eppel. And Mike, were you up late watching the debate last night?
Watched the first few minutes. We had to get to bed, though, Tammy. Up late, a lot of people, though, and the markets, of course, were up early this morning watching the debate and the market response to it. And initially, we actually saw quite the rally underway with a lot of the political pundits giving Hillary Clinton the victory in the first of the three U.S. presidential election debates. And it's sort of a status quo theory going forward here from investors who were a little more concerned about a Trump presidential victory and what that would mean for trade policies for the U.S. Some market forecasters saying it could lead to more volatility. Doesn't seem to be the case, though. This morning, the Mexican peso, for example, is up by 1.5% against the U.S. dollar in the international currency markets in reaction. The more of the focal point for the market this morning, actually, is what's going on in Germany with two of the biggest companies there, Deutsche Bank and Volkswagen, facing fines by the U.S. Department of Justice. Deutsche Bank, for the sale of mortgage-backed securities, could face a fine of $14 billion. Deutsche Bank's trading at a record low this morning, and the U.S. DOJ still trying to figure out how much it's going to fine Volkswagen for the diesel emissions scandal. So VW shares down as well this morning. Twitter shares jumping for a third day. Speculation has it that either Disney or Microsoft could be the lead bidders for the 140-character social network. Twitter shares since Friday last week up by 25%. Now, they're still below where they went out on the IPO a couple of years back, but nevertheless, rally. Nothing confirmed yet and no specific price tag, but something to watch nonetheless. And the Canadian dollar this morning, Tammy, is testing a 6-month low. The loonie dropped overnight because of what's been going on in the oil market. And the price for oil is under pressure again this morning because of Iran. And they're saying they're not interested in any production ceilings at those informal OPEC negotiations going on in Algeria. Back to you.
All right. Thanks very much, Mike.